Got your 93 anniversary Corvette. Nice car, nice condition. Excuse the towels that are on it, that's just to prevent any oil drippage from the car that's on the vehicle that's on top of it overnight. Got a modification, some straight through exhaust here, wakes up the LT1 motor without being too loud. Nice MagnaFlow product, good stuff. This car's real clean, 27,000 miles. Not bad for almost a 40-year-old car. Nice shape. On top of it, you got your 07 Jeep SRT, 420 horsepower out of the factory. Was a lot in 07, not as much today. They got a new Trackhawk coming out soon. It's going to have over 700 horsepower. Actually, I think it's in the 6s. 7's only in the Challenger. And of course, the Demon now has over 800. It's a nice truck, a lot of fun to drive, gets a lot of attention. It was insane when it was new. People were just dying to challenge it. Moving on, conventional American muscle. Duster 340. Sublime green. How's that for a cool color? Just a nice car. Kind of raw. In nice shape. Did some nice modifications to it. It's still a work in progress, but almost done. Quite a bit of engine work. Probably going to have some trans work done. It is a torque flight. It's a factory air car, and the air works. Of course, it didn't when we got the car, but that's a different story. A lot of fun. This car gets a lot of attention. People love this thing. A little Duster symbol there. All good stuff. Other side of the spectrum, you got a 56 Buick Century. It's a real American tank of the 50s. A lot of metal in that car. Not in bad shape. Nice guy owns it. Paint's not the best, but nice driver. You could have fun with that car. First thing I do, of course, put dual exhaust on it, but that's me. And you got a lot of people's favorite 67 Corvette ragtop. Small block. Been in the family since new. Also a very nice car. I think drives exceptionally well for one of these. Wouldn't be surprised if it's a no-hit car. I don't know that for sure. The guy's father bought it new. Did have it painted back in the 90s. Paint could have been a better job. Still a nice car. Nice car to have. It's a factory air car. Not that common in 67, especially for a rag top. It is a power glide. Probably why the car's not beat to death. And it also has power windows. Just a small example of stuff we're working on today. Pretty common to see these cars in here anymore. A lot of fun. No loose set of issues, especially with the older stuff. Breaks off the conventional Lexus, Toyota, Infiniti, BMW, Audi, stuff we see every day. Of course, your GM, Ford. Do a lot of Jeeps. They're also a lot of fun. That's it.